Hi everyone, welcome back to part 4 of Dev Talks by No Codework. Today we have with us Renuka, who recently attended a very cool event on AI agent at IIT Delhi. So Renuka, hello.
Hi.
So can you tell us more about your experience?
Yeah, so basically we attended a AI agent workshop, which was really amazing, and it was organized by IIT Delhi only, and the speaker was a UX designer at Microsoft. So she gave us insight about how AI is working rapidly and how it's changing, and we got to learn a lot of things about AI and AI agents.
So was it a paid or a free event?
So it was a paid event. I paid around $600 for that.
Okay, so how can other designers get to know about this opportunity?
So there are a lot of groups and communities on WhatsApp and on LinkedIn as well, and you can join them, and then you get to know about every update, what's happening.
तो टोटल कितने लोग थे वहाँ, आप मुझे बता सकते हो?
There were about 10 to 15 people.
Were there only designers और अलग stream से भी लोग थे वहाँ पे?
No, there were designers, developers, low-code developers, and there were no-code developers as well, and PMs.
Wow, so कोई बड़ी personality, कोई known person था वहाँ पे?
Known person as in जो speaker थे, वो ही UX designer थी and at Microsoft.
So for budding designers, developers, are these events good for networking?
Yeah, obviously they are really good. तो वहाँ पे when you like go there, तुम उन्हीं लोगों से मिलते हो जो already designer होते हैं या आपकी field में होते हैं. So it's good to have a connection with them.
पूरे event का आपको best part क्या लगा?
Connections only. Basically वहाँ पे जो लोग थे, they were like-minded, growth mindset था, they were amazing.
तो ये total कितने घंटे चला?
Around 3 hours.
Okay.
3 to 3.5 hours.
So were there any fun activities? Did you do something that you enjoyed a lot?
Yeah, there were activities. There were a lot of activities. So basically first was AI activity, which was like हम लोग ने कुछ draw किया paper पे and then we wrote a prompt. Then हमने अपनी drawing दूसरे person को दिया and the prompt हमने दूसरे person को दिया और उसने हमारा draw किया, जो हमने drawing किया था वो उसने भी draw किया by reading the prompt. But किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आया. So that's how AI works. अगर आप prompt अच्छे से नहीं लिख रहे हो तो you can't get the good results.
Well, that's quite true. So,
Yeah.
आपने किसी सॉफ्टवेयर या टूल्स का यूज करना सीखा नया?
Yeah, so I learned about Cursor and VS Code. Both.
Wow. So आपको कोई swag या goodies मिले?
हाँ, I got stickers.
Okay, और आपका कोई नया दोस्त बना हुआ?
बहुत सारे friends बने, even we hang out और अभी भी हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं तो that was amazing. मतलब बहुत ही हमारे जैसे लोग थे, मतलब designers थे, PMs थे, तो बहुत अच्छा group बना मेरा.
Okay, so well, that's quite interesting, Renuka. Thank you so much for this chat.
Thank you.